Here I am, a week later, after building those mountain bike trails. As you can see, my bike is loaded with camping gear. Got my rucksack there as well. My friend should be here any minute with his bike. Right, so he's just put, Thomas is here, Tom's Farm Life. He's just put his rack stuff all back together because it fell off a few times. So now we're going to head off. We're going to cycle to the RC track and hit some mountain bike trails. See you on the other side. reached the Sahara Desert, guys. Whew. So nearly there. So nearly there. Oh, so hungry. Oh, that's an insane feeling. Oh, I'll give you my stuff. Oh, thank God, we are finally at the farm. I think it's taken about 2.5 hours, so quite a trek, about 9 miles, maybe 8 or 9 miles. So, yeah, now we are absolutely starving, and we still need to go down a few fields to get to the RC track. So, see you on the other side. Tom's got quite a bit of stuff on there. Only 2 fields to go down there, so yeah. Oh, guys, we are finally here. So
that was a long trek.
That was a long trek, and got our shelters up. So here's the RC track, mountain bike trail's a bit further down there. We're gonna eat and have a barbecue because we're blooming hungry, so see you after that. Look what we have here. Fire. One essential thing for camping. I mean, this was going well until a wasp attacked Thomas.
Oh, it's fine!
Oh!
It's good!
Oh, yes!
Boring wasp!
Yeah, no, that wasp attacked him, and he threw his pillow and it went in the river, but for some reason it's dry. It just makes no sense.
It went on the grass.
Can't hear what you're saying. Okay, yeah. As you may have figured out there, guys, from that footage, this trail is very techy, so it's quite slow, but it's still very difficult because there's roots and steep bits, and it's very narrow, so it's still very fun even though it's quite slow. Right, it is 9 o'clock, it's starting to get dark, so in about an hour I'm going to go mountain biking with your boy Tom's Farm Life in there, because we got some lights, so we'll hit the trails soon. But I'll just show you around our campsite quickly. We're just chilling out for a bit because leaving some energy reserved for cycling. So this is my shelter, just tarpauling and a hammock, which should be perfectly good. So yeah. Now Thomas's shelter, he's just sleeping on the floor on a roll mat. Right, as you can see, we're all equipped with our lights. I'm just going to turn mine on. Right, so guys, we have just been in the woods. Oh, I better turn my light off. For a ride, and we kind of got lost. Well, not completely, and it was obviously dark, which made it a bit creepy, to be perfectly honest with you. And so we decided to come back because the trails are actually really quite, well, they're just littered with logs, which we kind of forgot to move. So we'll come back in the morning and
Hopefully, if we're still here.
yeah, if we're still alive, we'll see you in the morning. But yeah. So here I am in my hammock. It's 11 o'clock, and wish me luck. Good morning then, guys. So the first thing I woke up to this morning was neck ache and a wasp. So I mean, we survived, so that can't be too bad. Well, we decided what we're going to do is kill two birds with one stone. I'm going to put my rack back on my bike quickly and then collect some logs on the rack. So let's get going. So we've just been in the woods, and as I said earlier, my camera ran out of storage space, so I haven't been able to do any videoing there. And it's actually, you didn't really miss much because, well, it's literally not cyclable. The first bit is good, the first bit's alright, then it gets so steep you have to walk, and it's so narrow and slippery and rooty, it would probably be classed as like a double black trail or something ridiculous. It's really hard, so we've just had to walk most of it. So either we have a lot of work to do, or we'll just go to a different woods. Anyway, we're going to start packing up now because it's very hot and we need to get moving because it's 11 o'clock. So start doing that. Yeah, we've got a bit of a problem. Thomas's bag's broken. And yeah, but we're nearly there, as you can see. Also, guys, I was just thinking, comment down below, what do you think about having the RC track come off over there and going around there? I think that'd be pretty cool. Leave your opinions below if you can. That'd be much appreciated. Right then, guys, we are off. Let's get going. Guys, just get an idea of how steep this is. This is the worst bit, but it'll get a bit better. Walking up with all this camping gear and a rucksack is definitely not easy. Right, it's raining, that's why we're in the woods here. Just had to cycle from the top of the hill. So, quick lunch break, and then we'll be back on the road, and then that'll pretty much be the end of the video. That will be the end of this adventure then, and the end of the video. Boy, do I love for summer holidays. Anyway, shout out to Tom's farm life here, because he's doing this video, so there'll be a bit of a different perspective on it if you check out his. I'll leave his channel in the description below. So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate a thumbs up and subscribing, so yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.